Hey everyone, welcome back to MetaLife Rez. I'm Dr. Rez. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a healthier life. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to lose weight quickly. Let's get started. First things first, it's important to remember that losing weight quickly should still be done safely. So, here are some proven tips that can help you shed those extra pounds fast while keeping your health in check. Tip number 1. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This form of exercise is fantastic for burning a lot of calories in a short amount of time. It's all about short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods. Research shows that HIIT can boost your metabolism and burn fat more effectively than steady-state cardio. Aim for at least 20 minutes, 3 times a week. Tip number 2. Clean eating. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods. Think lean proteins, fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Avoid sugary snacks, fried foods, and refined carbs. Instead, fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods that will keep you full and energized throughout the day. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for weight loss. It helps to boost your metabolism, cleanse your body of waste, and curb your appetite. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and try drinking a glass before meals to help you feel fuller and eat less. Tip number 4. Get enough sleep. It might sound surprising, but sleep plays a significant role in weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and increase your appetite. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night to support your weight loss goals and overall health. Tip number 5. Stay consistent and track your progress. Consistency is key when it comes to losing weight quickly. Keep a food journal, track your workouts, and regularly check your progress. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating and help you stay on track. So there you have it, 5 tips to help you lose weight quickly and safely. Remember, it's all about balance and making sustainable changes. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness content. Thanks for watching.